How to add a stop in Uber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber in your device. Make sure you have logged into Uber. Then at the top, click on Enter Pickup Point. After that, in here, you'll find plus button on the right side. Click on the plus button on the right side. And as you can see, you will be able to add stop. You could add to stop and then press on done. You're good to go. Another way you can add a stop is by clicking on add or change at the bottom after your ride has arrived. Simply click on it and you'll be able to add another stop. This is how to add a stop in Uber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.